Hola, buenos días. Me llamo Edeline Mendoza Rapas. Mucho gusto. So we are here to learn Spanish alphabet. For your information, there are 30 letters in the traditional Spanish alphabet. There are 4 additional consonants that we do not have in English. So let's start. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, E, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, doble R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I hope you learned something from me. Muchas gracias. Adiós.